Hello and welcome to another update video on ADA. On the ADA chart, we are tracking here still this unfolding C wave to the downside. I think we discussed it in yesterday's video that this B wave probably topped in our resistance area or just below even, shows even more weakness, just below the 38.2 retracement. So we had a three-wave rally towards resistance. We had a impulsive looking rejection. It's not really looking like an impulse. Actually, it's well, it might look to you like that, but if we really zoom in on this time frame, it looks a bit like an impulse. If we zoom in, I think it is turning into a diagonal pattern to the downside. I'm talking about this C wave, yeah. But that doesn't really change much. The idea is now that, you know, if this X wave has really topped and this B wave as well, yeah, we should be moving down in this C wave of Y. So we talked about the target area, especially the 55 cent level is an ideal target that should be reached. It's 55 cents, the 100% FIB extension as an ideal target for wave C of Y. Yeah, in this wave 4 correction, this correction area, support area. And the idea is that in this internal third wave, we probably still are in the third wave. Why? Because if I'm considering the guidelines of our model and I'm measuring the length of the internal one, this is likely a wave 1 which bottomed on Monday, we go to the high of the wave 2, then normally a third wave should reach at least the 138% extension. So that's at 59.2 cents. We haven't done that yet. So I'm looking for lower, maybe 59.2 to 58.4 cents in this third wave. Then we might get a fourth wave bounce and a fifth wave down to wrap it all up. At the moment, I would even say this here could be something like, and I'm not labeling that specifically, but maybe this is an A wave. We're working on some kind of a B wave here and could then come down in wave C, like Bitcoin, right? And then a 4 and a 5. And that would work out quite well. It should take us into this area down here. Just a quick reminder, it's very important, that we're tracking here larger Elliott wave triangle with support around 51 cents, and this 51 cent level, honestly, it's the invalidation point for this triangle. So any break below would mean that we're breaking below the A wave low of the triangle, the C wave low of the triangle, and that just would formally invalidate it, at least if there's a decisive break. So obviously we want to be aware of that. Yes, the blue zone points below that level. I mean. But again, we have a target area internally and we have an invalidation point, 51 cents. So ideally, the price finds support in the upper section of that blue zone. We can get some volatility today due to the Fed interest rate decision, and any break above the green line at 64.3 cents would likely invalidate the direct pathway lower. That would not make it necessarily make it all bullish. Only if we get a 5-wave move up, then maybe, yeah. But for now, the pressure remains downward. That's the update on ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our X profile. You'll find a link in the description. And yeah, join us here. We're building a great community here as well. You can discuss, ask questions, and much more. Link is in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.